Welcome to this gorgeous custom-built home, high-end new construction by Boylan Homes, offering designer touches and quality craftsmanship throughout. It's situated in Sky Meadows Estates in a sought-after South Salem location, featuring great schools and convenient to shopping, downtown, the freeway, and local parks. From the covered front porch, head inside. Discover gorgeous flooring, a stylish gas fireplace, high ceilings, and an 8-foot sliding door providing abundant natural light. The cook's kitchen features quartz countertops, a large island with an eating bar, gas range, and a walk-in pantry. Double doors open to the main level office or guest bedroom, also bathed in natural light, plus a convenient powder room on the main level. Upstairs, the primary suite is a spacious retreat with 2 walk-in closets and a spa-like bath, complete with a separate soaking tub and a tile shower. This home of more than 2,800 square feet has 5 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, plus a large bonus room. And an upper-level laundry. Entertain year-round on the covered stamped concrete patio in the private, fully fenced backyard with mature trees. The 4-car garage has lots of room for your toys and storage. Several more custom-built homes in the coming months. Just ask for details. Enjoy the best in Northwest living with this beautiful Boylan home in Sky Meadows Estates. It's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.